Now, how can you go live on YouTube from your iPad? Let me show you how it could work. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos similar to this one. Now, of course, you can open up the YouTube app like this, just go to the page, and at the bottom you have a couple of buttons, and in the middle we have the plus button. So for me, I tap on it, it gets me or shows me the create pop-up. There is the window, post, and in the middle I have the live. So I can click on live and it's just gonna, give me some more information. Like I can set up the camera and also perform some different changes and whatnot. But that is the most fundamental way of doing that or going live on your YouTube. So that is what you can do. If you cannot find that button, there could be some reasons behind it. First of all, I would go to the App Store and check out that if you are running the latest version of the YouTube app, that could be the reason. But also, I believe that there are also some requirements. So not every single YouTube account or YouTube channel can go live. So, it kind of depends. So perhaps just go and take a look at your channel if you have that feature available, but you should most definitely find it that way. Now, let me know in the comments below if you managed to go live on YouTube from the iPad. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the upcoming tutorials as well.